Hi Sue, we're going to go through making a pixel picture kind of quick just to show you what to do. I'm going to create a new image and we'll do it 1000 by 1000 and hit OK. And then I'm going to hit layer and I'm going to open an image. I'm just going to go and pick up a background real quick. Pictures. Let's do background. And we'll just pick up, I don't know. We'll just pick up this one. And then open that up. And then let's go find this over here, image. What I did is I Googled image of mystery transparent. And I'm going to hit this. And we're going to go find the word mystery. Here's the one that I showed you a while ago. And it doesn't look like it has all those little dots, which is what you want. If you hit this, it's not going to be a transparent because you can see the dots. But if you hit it, the little squares appear, right? So you're going to left click it. You're going to do, right click it. My head is still not working. Save image as, and see this PNG file right here? That's what you want. If it doesn't come up as PNG, it is not going to be a transparent. And we'll just hit save it as mystery word, being a transparent. And I want it in BWS pictures. See, these are all my pictures I've saved. Transparents everywhere. Transparencies, rather. Okay, we're going to save that, right? And if there's something else you want, you go down, you kind of look, and it's like, well, that's kind of a pretty mystery, right? Hit it. See, it doesn't have, oh, there's your squares. So you're going to right click, save image as. See, it comes up as a PNG file. That's exactly what you want. Name it to whatever you want. Mystery word in orange. Oops. And it is a transparent. So that way when I look at it, I automatically know it's a transparent. And then hit save. So let's go back to this. We're going to open image as a layer, open it up, and we'll just pick up one of the mysteries that we just did right here. I'm going to open it, and here is your word. See, you don't have any of the boxes around. So you're going to do a free transform. That's just so you can move it around. If you want it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to turn it, you can turn it, to whatever you want and do it that way. So mystery. Do I want to apply the changes? Yes. All right, then let's go in and let's do, I think I have an 80, yeah, right here, look, 82. We'll hit 82, we'll open that. And see, this word series was applied to this number 82. So all you have to do, because anything that you get may have a lot of other stuff to it, but if this is what you're looking for, that's all you're going to need. So go over here, see my eraser, hit that, and then take it away. It's not there anymore. Okay? And then free transform, and then you can do whatever you want to do to that and hit yes. And let's add something else, another layer of something. Here's stars. Goodness, I have so much stuff. Trying to show you something else that I can grab real quick on a transparent. Dark green, transparent, days of the week, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I've got so much stuff here. Okay, here's a high score transparent. We'll do that. And so, transparent. What color do we want? Okay, high score in red. Let's open that up. And see, here's another high score, but it has all this other stuff. I only picked it up because I wanted the high score. So just take your eraser and see up here where your brush is. Let's make it bigger. It's 70, so I can go through it faster. Anyway, all you have to do is erase it all. Erase everything you don't want, but you can leave what you do want. See? And then you go to, excuse me, then you go to high score. Now there's some more I don't want, so let's just put it over there and get rid of it. And retransform, mystery high score. You can make it taller. You can do this, you can do that. You can put it at an angle. You know, you can do any of that, really. That's what's so good about a transparent. You can put it anywhere you want. So decide, okay, I'm looking at this and I really don't want the high score on there. All you have to do is come over here to your right where your layers are. See where your check marks are? Uncheck it and it goes away. Now, if you by chance you say, yeah, I do want that, all you have to do is go back over here. This is where your layer is. Check it back, and there it is again. But you can do anything with these transparencies. It is so cool because you can find anything almost and pick it up and use it. And that's how you make all your stuff. Like here's magical right here. Open it up and see all this other stuff to it. I don't want all that. All I wanted was magical. Make sure you have your eraser right here and then get rid of what you don't want. So anything in there, as long as it has the word that you want, that's all you got to do. And then free transform. So we want, let's do mystery magical right there. Okay, let's put high score. Come back over here to your right. Layer 4 was your high score because you can kind of see it right here. And so make that blue and hit free transform. And now let's move you to right there. Okay. Now 82 is behind it. So we need to go. You can see it right here. Hit layer 3. Hit free transform. Now I can move 82 to wherever I want. But that is the neat thing about transparencies is you can use them, you can move them. They're always nice and clean and clear. It's just a wonderful thing to get used to using, even if it's numbers, even if it's whatever, you can do it. And like I said, if you decide I don't want 82 in there, take it off. When you save it, of course, you're supposed to, hit your file, you save, and again, bring it over to a PXD layered pixeler image and title it and make sure that you know that this is a layered PXD. So when you go back in you'll end up, having all of these uh, things that in your computer like I do. I mean, I just have tons of just different things that I have collected through the year. and pick it up and throw it in something. Here's a Bumble transparent. I did a, what is it, Bumble Jumbie, I guess. I don't know, some kind of a game. Um, but all this you can use and just plop it right into wherever you want it. If you don't like it, all you have to do is uncheck it, make it go away. Very easy. I hope this helped. Again, if there's excuse me, excuse me, if there's anything that you want or any other questions, please do not hesitate in asking. Thanks.